Now let's go over the Bay. The state health department announcing it'll be vaccinating hundreds of people over 4 days this month, beginning next week at the Daphne Civic Center.
Right now, the only people allowed to get the vaccine are healthcare workers, first responders, and people 75 and older. Michael Warwick is live at the Daphne Civic Center with the specifics on this. And Michael, the health department says this is a big step for Baldwin County.
Yeah, even saying it's light at the end of the tunnel, as their target over those 4 days this month is about 60 vaccinations per hour. And though it is just for a small amount of residents, it is going to be a big operation.
This is a sign of hope for our community. This is a sign of hope that we have been looking for.
A first of its kind for Baldwin County, announcing a mass vaccination clinic on a first-come, first-served basis. No appointment necessary.
We just could not be more excited and more pleased to be able to ramp this up and to really get this vaccination ever going.
On the remaining Tuesdays and Thursdays of this month, the Alabama Health Department will give the Moderna vaccine at the Daphne Civic Center to only those eligible. Healthcare workers, first responders, and people 75 and older. The state health department is anticipating about 300 vaccines each of the first 2 days. When you show up at the Civic Center and register no earlier than 6:30, you'll be given a time to come back and get your shot while they last.
We know that this is going to be a marathon, not a sprint, and we are asking for community compassion.
The plan initially to continue getting the vaccine to those most vulnerable to COVID-19 first, while the county says more clinics can be expected in the coming months for more eligible groups.
A light at the end of the tunnel is a perfect analogy for this. This has been a tremendously difficult year.
And the state health department saying it is critically important nobody show up who isn't eligible. You'll have to show ID. There is also going to be a drive-up option for those who cannot get out of their car and walk inside. Of course, the state health department has a lot of information about what is and is not allowed, what you need with you. We'll have that up on our website, fox10tv.com. Live in Daphne, Michael Warwick, fox10tv.com.